In this video, I'll be showing you how you can hide your phone number on Telegram so that you can enhance your privacy and security. Swipe and tap and open your Telegram. If it opens, come on this settings, tap on it. Then on this settings, tap on this privacy and security. And from here, scroll down. You can see here privacy phone number. Tap on this phone number. You can see here who can see my phone number. Mine is set on everybody, so it means that everybody or anybody can see my phone number, both those I save their contact and those I didn't save their contacts. Once they log in Telegram, they will find or see my phone number. If I select this contacts or my contacts, it means those I have their contacts on my phone only can find or see my phone number. Then if I select this nobody, so it means nobody can see my phone number. Both people I saved their contacts and people I didn't save their contacts, they can't see my phone number. So select this nobody to hide your phone number. Also, you can see this option here, who can find me by my phone number. Mine is on everybody. If you want to set more privacy, you can tap on this my contacts. It means only your contact can see or can find you on Telegram once they search you. But you can see here add exceptions. Maybe for instance, you want to add some numbers, you don't want them to see you even if they search for you. You can tap on this add users and you see a list of your contacts. You can tap and select those contacts you don't want them to see or to find you on Telegram even if they search for you. You can come here and tap on this good icon. You can see. Then after here, you can come here also and tap on this good icon here. And you have hidden your phone number and nobody else can find or can see your phone number. So guys, that is it. Thanks for watching and bye.